Welcome back to another tutorial on the Adobe Illustrator course. Now in this tutorial we're going to look at two significant tools we have in Adobe Illustrator, and that's the knife tool and the scissor tool. Now from the name you can only imagine what they can do, but now let's look at it practically. So I'm going to create a shape. So we have the tool. Now the first tool we're going to look at is the knife tool. So if I select, click and hold, this is where we actually have the eraser tool, scissor tool and knife tool. But let's first look at the knife tool. If I select the knife tool, it will allow you to make cuts on your shapes, so you can get creative with this. If I unselect and deselect, that is this, you can see I've created these portions from the one shape that I had earlier. So that's one way you can use the knife tool. Just minimize that, place it over here, have it over here. So let's create a different shape. Choose a different fill color. Now another way you can use the knife tool is by, if you select it, hold down the Alt key. Now by doing this, once you make a selection, it will help you to make straight cuts. So you can make a straight cut here, make a straight cut here, while holding down the Alt key. So if you want to make straight cuts, hold on the Alt key and then you can go ahead and make a straight cut on your shape. So deselect, and this is what we're left with. So that's a really cool tool to have. It's a really cool tool to know how to use. I'm just going to resize this and place it over here. Now let's go and look at the scissors tool. So with that, I'm going to create a new shape over here. Change the fill color. And now we're going to select the scissors tool. Now the scissor tools, unlike the knife tool, will work on the paths on the edges. So I come over here and click on this edge over here. I've already made a cut on that path. And then if I come here and make a cut on this edge, let's just place it over here and click over here, I've made another cut on that path. Let me show you what will happen. I'll end up with two separate shapes. So if I click this and pull, you can see I've made two cuts, one cut, but I've ended up with two different shapes. So let's just redo that. I'll actually use this one. So let's resize this. Let's recreate this. Different fill color. So once I select this, I'll make a cut on the path, not inside. If I try doing this, it will not work. You can see it has to work on an anchor point or on a path. So I can't use it like a knife, like across. I have to make a selection on the path or the anchor point. So click over here, and another one over here. So I've made a cut at this point. Deselect. So if I pull this out, you can see I'm left with two pieces. That's the difference between using the scissors tool and the knife tool. The knife tool is really flexible and it allows you to cut through the whole thing at multiple times. But with the scissor, you have to actually make the selection at the anchor points of the shape. Again, with the knife tool, it's flexible, so you can make your own custom cuts. It doesn't have to be straight like this. You can make your own custom cuts. But with the scissor tool, it's precise, it's straight. So go ahead and have fun with that. Try and practice and get the hang of using those two tools in Illustrator.